Audi just dropped their most stunning concept car in years, and it completely changes everything we thought we knew about their future. The Concept C isn't just another pretty face at the auto show. This is headed straight to production in 2027, and I've been taking a close look at why this could be the game changer Audi desperately needs. Here's what blew my mind. After years of discontinuing the TT and R8, Audi basically had zero sports cars in their lineup. Zero. Can you imagine a German luxury brand without a single coupe or convertible? That changes right now with the Concept C, and the timing couldn't be better. The design language hits different. Massimo Frascella, Audi's new chief creative officer, calls it radical simplicity. They're reducing everything to the essential, and honestly, it works. This isn't just another electric concept destined to collect dust in a museum. Audi promises the production version will barely differ from what you're seeing right here. Let me paint you a picture of what we're dealing with. The Concept C measures 178 inches long, 78 inches wide, and just over 50 inches tall. That puts it closer to R8 territory than the smaller TT, which makes sense given what they're trying to accomplish here. At 3,726 pounds, it's remarkably light for what will likely be an electric vehicle. The exterior design borrows from Audi's greatest hits. Think TT meets R8 with hints of that legendary 1991 Avis concept and even some Auto Union DNA. But here's the kicker. This thing transforms. The Concept C features an electrically retractable roof with two panels, making it both a coupe and roadster. That's a first for Audi, and whether it makes production remains the million-dollar question. Those three horizontal slats replacing the rear window caught my attention immediately. One integrates the third brake light, and the whole setup screams modern minimalism. Some might call it controversial, but I think it works perfectly with the overall aesthetic they're going for. The interior follows that same shy tech philosophy. There's a 10.4-inch tablet that rises from the dashboard, but here's what I love about this. It tucks away completely when you don't need it. Remember when Audi used to do this with their older models? The infotainment screen folding neatly into the dash was pure genius, and they're bringing it back. Real aluminum controls mean you're not stuck poking at screens for every single function. Even the steering wheel badge uses actual metal instead of cheap plastic. These details matter when you're trying to rebuild your premium image. Now let's talk performance potential. Audi confirms both rear-wheel and all-wheel drive setups are possible. The 800-volt electrical system promises ultra-fast charging, which puts it right in line with what we expect from premium EVs in 2027. Here's where things get interesting from a market perspective. This will launch alongside Porsche's electric Boxster and Cayman replacements in 2026. Both brands are going EV only for their sports cars, which feels like a massive gamble in a segment where enthusiasts still crave internal combustion engines. The design influence extends far beyond just this one model. That vertical grille inspired by the 1936 Auto Union C and third-generation A6 becomes the central element of Audi's new face. This four-element light signature will spread across their entire lineup. We're looking at a complete brand transformation starting right here. What gives me hope is seeing Audi move away from split headlights and fussy design details. They've already abandoned fake exhausts and admitted cabin quality had slipped. All of these moves point toward a more focused, premium direction. The real test comes down to execution. Can Audi deliver on the promises made by this concept? Will the production version maintain this level of design sophistication? And perhaps most importantly, can they create something that justifies going electric only in the sports car space? Looking at the bigger picture, Audi needs this to succeed. They've been trailing BMW for years, and a proper halo sports car could kickstart their entire brand revival. The Concept C represents everything Audi wants to become: simpler, more premium, more focused on what actually matters. This concept gives me genuine optimism about Audi's future direction. Sometimes you need to step back and start fresh. The Concept C feels like exactly that kind of moment for the four rings. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.